Alright, so just want to make sure you guys are aware of the tools that you will need for tomorrow's live tutorial on how to make a pixie cut wig. It will be the first tutorial of 2. So if you're going to do this with me, these are the materials that you're going to need, or if you plan on watching the video after it's been recorded and taught, you will need these materials. Of course, you're going to need your sewing machine for this, so make sure you do have a sewing machine. You're going to need a cap. One of these will work. You don't need both of them. This one is found on Amazon, and this one you can find at your local beauty supply store, on Amazon as well, or on AliExpress. And then you're going to need hair. You're going to specifically need a 4x4 lace closure. You're going to need about 3 to 4 bundles of hair. These aren't very thick, as you know, you can see, so this is probably about 2.5 bundles, to be honest. You want a straight texture or a wavy texture. I prefer wavy because if I straighten it, it gives me that more African American thickness that I'm looking for. So that's why I chose wavier texture hair. But you're going to need a 4x4 closure, and you are also going to need about 3 to 4 bundles. If you got thicker hairs, that works. And then you're definitely going to need your other tools. You need marking tools, so you're definitely going to need some chalk, so that you can be able to, you know, draw the lines that you need to draw in order to place the wefts onto the cap. So I prefer that you guys use a tailor's chalk or a marking tool if you don't have that. Sharpies work just as well, especially if you're using this cap. Be very careful with that cap because this color is permanent, so it'll show through the inside of your wig if this is a wig you plan on selling. So keep that in mind. You'll need T-pins, definitely, and you are going to need your hand sewing tools because, you know, scissors, your curved needle, your weaving thread, because you do have to place that closure in a different manner. And you should have a wig head. You should have a canvas block head. This is a 22.5 or 22-inch circumference wig head, so make sure you have that. If you don't, any of the other ones that you see in this video will do. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Please forgive me for this being a bit late giving you guys the information and materials that you need. But yes, I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you look down below for the link. See you tomorrow in class.